Only Pro? Is that one?
Only Pro. By Leonardo Boaz.
Leonardo Bowers. Bowers.
Who should we go as?
Segway guy is always fun.
Segway guy.
Well, that wasn't very pro of you.
Well,
I think I've played this level actually. Yeah, it's quite a hard one.
Ah.
Ooh. Loads of wrecking balls.
I probably went the wrong way, didn't I?
I don't
Yep.
Yeah. Damn. Oh.
Well, that's
Right, shitty.
okay. All god awful.
No, actually.
That's just too bad. The earthquake. I'm interested.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see who it was by. Kirby ponage. Okay. So what do we do? Oh God. Oh, bye my son. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. Oh Jesus.
Nearly got impaled in the ass. Oh, there's
failed in the ass.
tectonic plates going right there. Ah! Hobos!
Whoa!
Oh, this is quite good.
Isn't it? Oh. What? That doesn't even make sense.
Your intestines holding your leg together.
Oh, my leg landed in the bin. Whee!
Starting the trash can.
Oh, the hobo went to the bin.
He's looking for a house. Oh,
that's how it's done.
well, that ruined everything.
Well, a bit of behind the scenes there. Okay, let's try and keep the sun this time. Oh, I lost my head. Go TV. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh no, there's a car in the way. Do you think the plates are meant to be bouncing?
I don't know. So.
Okay.
I think you meant to go over that ramp personally and land on top of the trucks.
Well, I'm now stuck.
You stuck.
Me stuck.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That
microwave. You could build oh man. You could build up some speed if that microwave wasn't blocking entry.
Yay!
Oh, yay! Oh, knocked a wheel off.
Oh, killed the watermelon. Oh, I forgot to
Start eating the trash can.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, for God's sake.
Just try, man. There we go.
Oh.
Apparently trash cans turn into springs now.
We shall fight. Yeah, I kicked your ass. Now you're rolling like a bowling ball.
Indiana Jones was running away from it like, ah! Oh. Well, we know who's won this fight, don't we?
Now there's just a speech bubble.
Tree truck.
Oh my God. Why have I got like a... What have I got in my bike? I've seen that. It's like a tennis ball sort of thing.
Yeah.
Oh!
Headshot! Well, at least you got past it, Ed.
Just got to push it back. Get back there. Oh crap. No!
Don't go over. Oh. Pro.
Whoa! Oh crap.
Bit of a microphone falling down incident there. Didn't know what to call that.
I could tell. Bit of a microphone falling down problem.
Yes, that is what I said, sir.
Which was funny, god damn it.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, nice one.
Yes. Oh, elevator. Don't know why I'm talking American now.
Elevator.
Elevator. Whoa!
God damn it, Lenny.
Whoa, whoa! This is crazy, man.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa! Was that a coin there? Oh, I think you missed it.
Oh well. No, there's only one coin, and that'll be the finish line.
Oh, sorry.
Just say it. I've only got one arm. It's not good for riding a bike in.
And no kids. Ah! Oh man!
This isn't good.
Zero arms. It's a fish on a bike.
Don't fall down there.
Oh.
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 Wait, where did the axe come from? Oh, I'd got so far.
You're not doing it all again, are you?
I'm gonna get this.
Die one more time and then we'll have to choose you. I can't watch this. It's hurting me, man. It's hurting me. Not being able to do it.
Oh crap.
It is a tennis ball.
Oh, this isn't gonna end well. Oh, yeah, I got it caught in my bike again. Oh. Oh no! What happened? My bike!
Head nearly got crushed in the tectonic plates there.
Oh god, what's going on here? My bike's gonna run me over.
Right, it's that trash can protecting you.
Throw the tennis ball.
Throw the goddamn ball. Oh, you caught a bit of bread in your legs. Or is it an orange?
I have no idea. Get out the way, I want to get to my bike.
I don't think it's working.
Oh! Oh god! He's been booted in the head.
Why is he holding on to the grandfather?
I don't know. Just kicked him in the back of the head. Oh! Yeah. I am going to rate that though, that's pretty good if I could get past.
Should we call it a day then?
I'd say we should do maybe one more.
One more.
Which one should we go for?
A good one. Right, search one. Do another one of Peanut Pickle's one. He's quite a good guy.
Oh yeah, he's Peanut Pickle.
Peanut Pickle.
Loading. Wow.
Neon rope swing.
Yeah.
Neons give lag, so it's not. Rope swing challenge. Pogo Ninja challenge though.
Which one then?
Rope swing challenge. Let's go for that.
I think we've done this one, haven't we?
Have we? Nope.
There's not much of a level there though, to be fair.
We'll try and get the coin. I bet this has got more than it lets on. It's going to be quite a difficult.
Oh.
Impaled in the nose.
Oh.
Dude, they did the chicken.
Oh, for Just grab the rope.
Oh dear.
Grab. Oh.
Try and go straight backwards.
I'm trying.
No, you're not.
There
that's how you do it in Texaco.
No.
Hold on, man. Pull yourself up by the cleaver. I don't think that's working.
Die.
A good leader knows when to give up. It always beeps. Does the beep when you can't do something.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
Is that even possible?
I don't know.
Oh. I don't think you're meant to get through. You might have to go over it or something. Cause earlier on I did see a finish line down at the bottom.
Let's have a go at this beast.
One sec, I'll do one more. Wait, no. Oh. Okay, you have a go then. Right. Out my knee.
Let's see how they do it in Texas.
In Roryville.
I can't remember how to play it, to be honest.
Yeah, I can't remember the last time you played it.
Oh,
Oh, you got further than me straight away.
Oh, look where it landed.
Oh!
Willie!
Goodbye, my children.
Oh.
Well, that went well.
Oh! Double kill.
Oh, grabbing by the elbows. Yeah, look, finish line.
Oh!
You might have to go over it or something.
Yeah, we're going to go right over that beast.
Yes, yes, no! Oh! Knockout.
Remember to tuck. Deck chair.
This is going well. He's doing well. Yes! Now just crawl. But don't go backwards.
This is how they do it.
It's going well.
It's working though, don't sit laughing.
It just looks funny.
Looks like my dick on a Sunday morning. Death Valley.
Wait, nearly there.
Yeah! No! Peanut pickle, you monster!
How dare you!
Oh! Go for the
See what
flag.
happens if you crawl off it.
Go for the flag, man.
Come on. Oh, how dare you!
This is torturing.
This is just a double troll level.
You've just got to get the coin, haven't you?
But there's no way getting in there without being stabbed.
There is. You've got to be pro.
Do
Do you want to go back on it?
Oh, this is last level. You may as well finish us off.
Okay, I don't think I'm going to make this, man. We could be here all day watching this.
Damn it!
I'm going to let go lower. Well, that didn't work.
That went really well. Oh.
It didn't do anything, it just ragdolled. It did it again! There we go.
Oh!
Still alive.
How? That doesn't make any sense.
When you get impaled in the ass, you win or you die. I'd say that's a die. Well, thank you, everyone, for watching. Stay tuned to Ludos next week for
more Happy Wheels.
The same thing again. Thank you.